Liz. My gosh.
Hey, the guest of honor has arrived.
Guest of honor.
Guest of honor.
Ain't this your party?
I don't think so. I think this is
Your party.
Are you rolling?
This is your Bon Voyage party.
this is Fred's party.
Well, for you.
Oh.
All right, thank you.
Maybe we'll wait for him before we dig in.
Oh look, there's Mary.
This is sad.
I'm gonna miss you too.
I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. Only daylight in front of me, what can I say? It must be my lucky day, 'cause I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. I feel just like I'm flying, flying with the wind all in my face. Can't remember feeling higher, higher, 'cause there's nothing standing in the way. Like a bird up on a wire, we're working on a whistle while the world below is running the race. Oh, for you and I, yeah, everything is going great. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. Only daylight in front of me, what can I say? It must be my lucky day, 'cause I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way.
Are you ready?
I am. Yeah. I'm a little sad to leave everybody.
So we're hooked up. We're gonna go dump at their dump station before we leave, and then we're gonna hit the road to Bridgeport, Texas.
See the kids. I'm excited for that.
So we'll see how things go here, and it's been fun.
It has been fun. It's been a long time.
It has. All right, let's come around and pull into the dump station. Get ready to go.
Sounds good.
Headed for the lightning, lightning, 'cause it's brighter than it's been before. All the silver linings, when the heavens open up and we're together when the weather's storm. We laugh until we cry, yeah, couldn't really ask for any more. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. Only daylight in front of me, what can I say? It must be my lucky day, 'cause I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way. I'm on my way, yeah, I'm really on my way.
What are you doing?
We're saying goodbye.
No, don't do this to me. I can't do it on camera. Oh my gosh.
We're
Oh,
gonna miss you.
oh, I'm so sad. Oh,
We are too.
I'm happy and I'm sad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are y'all doing in here?
Making me cry?
We're paying our bill so that you can survive.
You mean you have to pay for your RV?
I thought we were getting it free.
I wish. I want a free one too.
So we've always said one of the hardest things about full-time life is to meet great new friends and leave them
Gonna
behind.
have to leave.
And this is no different.
Nope.
So we met some wonderful, wonderful, wonderful people while we were here. And just recently, Fred and Gina Nichols showed up and purchased the twin
Our twin.
to the MX450.
Yes. Yeah.
So they had one built with the same specs, and they're here checking out their new rig. They're from San Antonio, Texas, and they are wonderful people.
Oh my gosh.
So we have the only
neatest people.
we have the only two
In the world.
special MX450s in the
We
world.
do. We do. We have ivory and they have ebony. They have dark interior and we have light.
So anyway, we've had the opportunity to meet with them and check them out. So we're going to pray with them real quick before we hit the road, and then we're going to get on the road. You ready?
On the road again. Let's do it.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds. And we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Well, are you sad?
I am. But the farther we're out, the more excited I'm getting.
Yep. So we headed south out of Elk City on Highway 6. We're coming up, well, we just been through the town of Granite. Beautiful country down here.
It is really pretty.
But we're excited to get to Bridgeport, see our daughter and her family and our friends Neil and Dawn. So we're excited to be on the road.
We are. We are. Weather's kind of iffy. It's raining now, but it still feels good to get on the road again.
On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Oh my gosh, we're really doing it.
I know. I know it. So, how does it feel driving it?
It's different.
You feel it, don't you?
I do feel it.
Yeah.
It's a little heavier than our last rig. We loaded up the Can-Am and it fit like a glove.
Did. It only took 1.5 times.
Yeah.
You just had to back up a little bit and get over, but I was very happy to see that.
Yep.
Then the car went up fine and
Yep.
back on the road.
Back on the road again. Yeah, we're excited. We are excited. Met some awful nice people while we were there this last
Yes.
4.5, 5 months, whatever we were there, and just had a great time. So,
Absolutely. Lifetime friends,
yeah.
which is pretty amazing.
Yeah. So we're having a good time on the road. Here we go. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Thanks for sticking around through this last 5 months.
I know. I know. It's been a long 5 months, hasn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Now we get to go do some fun things.
Some new adventures.
That's right. So come along.
Here we go.